Tired of telling Gemini to keep it brief or act like an expert in every single chat? With your instructions for Gemini, you can set those rules once and they'll stick. It's the best way to give Gemini a permanent persona that fits your specific workflow. Let's set it up. First, we need to find the control center. On the web, click Settings and Help in the bottom left corner, then select Personal Context. You'll see a section called Your Instructions for Gemini. Make sure that toggle at the top is blue and switched on. This tells Gemini to start listening to the rules we're about to give it. Now click the +Add button. This is where you define who Gemini is to you. For this example, let's say I'm a music executive. I'll paste in a formal instruction. Act as a senior data analyst at Spotify. Use a formal tone and always include a strategic business recommendation at the end. Once you hit save, these instructions are active. From now on, Gemini will process every prompt through this lens without you ever having to mention Spotify or the analyst persona again. Let's test it. I'll start a brand new chat and just ask, what is the current state of podcasting? Notice I didn't ask for a data analyst or a formal report, but because of our saved instructions, Gemini automatically delivers a high-level market breakdown and finishes with that strategic business recommendation we asked for. It's like having a personalized assistant that already knows exactly how you like your coffee. You can add multiple instructions or turn the whole feature off at any time if you want to go back to the standard Gemini. It's a game changer for staying consistent and saving time. Hit like and subscribe if this helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.